Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. A new day, a new topic. I think you got the idea of today's topic from your computer screen or your mobile screen. Yes, you are right. A new software. Our new software is SolidWorks 2020. As you know, earlier on this channel, we uploading or we publishing only AutoCAD videos because we need to first learn basics of any CAD software. From this week, we started a new initiative. That means we are uploading AutoCAD as well as SolidWorks software videos. Now, 2 videos of AutoCAD and 2 videos of SolidWorks per week. That means 1 2D software and 1 3D software. Now, let's get focused on our today's topic. Our today's topic is Introduction of SolidWorks Part 1. It includes all basic info regarding SolidWorks software like history of software, working of SolidWorks, modeling and assembly of SolidWorks, etc. Now we start from history of SolidWorks. Please don't skip this topic because it is necessary to know the history of any mechanical design software as per the interview perspective. Okay? I hope you will now concentrate with 100%. SolidWorks, as you might already know, it is a solid modeling CAD and CAE program owned by Dassault Systems. Nowadays, SolidWorks is used by millions of engineers and designers worldwide with so many capabilities. There is no surprise to find that it competes with the best in the CAD industry, allowing users to push their boundaries with design and engineering. The next few lines of history of SolidWorks. This info we got from various SolidWorks books and net surfing. And this info I want to share with you. SolidWorks was founded in December 1993 by John Hastings. Soon after, in November 1995, SolidWorks was released. It was the first significant modeler for Windows. This is proved to be a huge step in subsequent evolution of CAD, while AutoCAD had been released much earlier. SolidWorks brought something new to the table of 3D modeling. 3D CAD became the focal point of the 90s. Within the months, SolidWorks changed the way engineers brought their creation to life. SolidWorks was so impressive, in fact, that in 1997, the SolidWorks was acquired by Dassault System, the best known for CATIA. Okay. SolidWorks was first released in 1995. It was a real game changer. SolidWorks changed every engineer's desktop for good. Since its inception, SolidWorks has seen 26 versions. Okay. Each version offering more capabilities and enhancement. Now, there are some disciplines of SolidWorks. It offers 3D CAD, electrical design, PDM, SolidWorks simulation, 3D experience, and technical communication. Okay? Class, this is the SolidWorks interface. After we open the SolidWorks software. Okay? Now we will see one by one each visible options on loading screen or loading interface. Okay, we got the various options by click on SolidWorks logo. You can see here file, view, tools and help option is now displayed. In file option you got new, open, recent files, browse recent documents, browse recent folders and exit option. In view, you got toolbars, touch mode, full screen, task pane, motion manager, and status bar. Okay. In tools, you got SolidWorks application, Express products, CamWorks, Design Checker, Compare, Macro, add-ins, and 7 restore settings. In help option, we got lots of several another options. The few are Welcome to SolidWorks, SolidWorks Cam, Help, Tutorials, API Help, Use Web Help, Search, Release Notes, What's New, Introduction of SolidWorks, and check for updates, Get Support, License Manager, Products, and About SolidWorks. Okay. Now, these are some shortcuts in SolidWorks interface. First is Welcome to SolidWorks, and second one is New File, then Open, then Save, then Print, then Undo, then Select, then Rebuild, File Properties, and Options. In Options, there are several options. Okay, first is Options. You can change the SolidWorks settings as it is. You can see here. Okay, now add-ins. Size, in button size, small, medium, large. I am selecting medium. Now you can see here top bar of the SolidWorks is now changed to medium. Okay, you can see here. Now again change the original setting. Okay, now I am selecting button size. Now select small. Now you can see the top bar of SolidWorks is again small. Okay, now we see how to create a new part file, assembly file, or drafting file. Now select file option, then select new, or you can use Ctrl N button is a shortcut key for new. Okay, you can see here new SolidWorks document window is now open. There are three options: part, assembly, and drafting. Now select part and click on OK. This is SolidWorks modeling interface. Okay, you can see here there are several options are present. These options we will discuss later on in part 2. Now part 1 is only for history of SolidWorks and basic info of SolidWorks. Okay class, I hope you can now understand the history of SolidWorks and the basic idea on SolidWorks. Okay, so if you like our today's new topic on new software, that means SolidWorks, then like, share, and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest updated SolidWorks design videos, tips and tricks in AutoCAD as well as SolidWorks. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.